Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking steps? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is your ultimate solution for easy, delicious meals. This kitchen powerhouse combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, warmer, sterilizer, and even a cake baker, all in one sleek appliance. Imagine ditching multiple devices and saving precious counter space, making this the best kitchen upgrade for any home cook looking to simplify their routine. With 15 smart, customizable programs, cooking everything from perfect rice to tender stew is literally at the touch of a button. No more guessing or complicated recipes. It's incredibly intuitive, even for beginners, which truly sets it apart from other multi-cookers on the market. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, even cooking, and makes cleanup an absolute breeze, a crucial factor when you're making quick family dinners. This robust build quality gives you peace of mind that your investment will last for years, delivering consistent, top-notch results every time. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance of 2025 that genuinely transforms your cooking, you can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus linked directly in the description below. It's not just a pressure cooker. It's a versatile smart cooker designed to make healthy homemade meals accessible and effortless for everyone. For an unbeatable combination of speed, versatility, and convenience, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is absolutely our top recommendation for your kitchen.